guys, okay, today with my friends we are here to Kubah National Park, which we also can call Gunung Serapi lah. So this is the place. Before we enter, we need to check in first. Huh? So as you can see, the hike is very steep. We just only started. About few minutes only. But our Anna already sleepy. No, he's not sleepy. He's giving his best. You can see in his face, and also sleepy also. And our boy is on form. Seems good. Okay. Okay, let's go. Let's continue. Okay, so baru we're gonna start our hike.
This is not the one.
Huh? This is not the one.
This one not. Waterfall trail is it?
இப்படிதான் அந்த வீடியோல போ. So yeah, going to we find the way ready, the trail way for waterfall. So let's go. Good. Hello again. Okay, we already reached to the waterfall. Look at it. Look at it. Woo! Good. Okay, alright. Gimana? Buang dah. Okey, okey.
Okay, our food is here. Potret.